Hello and welcome back to the 14 Stations of the Cross visual and spiritual Lenten video series. Today we're going to explore the 10th station of the cross. So let's jump into our passage, which today will come from the Gospel of Luke, chapter 23, verses 33 and 34. When they had arrived at the place called the Skull, they crucified him along with the criminals, one on his right and the other on his left. Jesus said, "Father, forgive them, for they don't know what they are doing." They drew lots as a way of dividing up his clothes. Hold your gaze on Jesus' face. Allow your eyes to slowly move from his right hand and now over to his left hand. Move down his body to his feet. Notice the faces and posture of the people around him in this painting. What do you observe? What do you feel? Oh, Jesus, as I place myself at your crucifixion, I'm filled with so many emotions. I'm overwhelmed by the sacrifice of your love for me. Continue this prayer in your own words. And when you are finished, go in peace. Amen.